In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use formula custom fields in ClickUp. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive straight into it. The first step on our journey is to log into your ClickUp workspace. This part is crucial because you want to ensure that you're in the correct space, folder, or list where your tasks live. Why is this important, you ask? Well, formulas in ClickUp calculate on a per-task basis, pulling data from the fields located in the same area. So it's all about context. Once you've logged in, make sure you're where you'd like to work. Next, you'll want to open any view that you're comfortable using. I highly recommend using the table view, simply because it displays the columns side by side, making it incredibly easy for you to see your new formula in action as you build it. Now that your view is open, shift your gaze to the far right of your column headers. You'll see a little plus button there. That's your ticket to adding a new field to your view. Click on it and a list of field types will pop up. This is where you choose Formula. By selecting this, you're signaling to ClickUp that you want to create a calculated field instead of a manually entered one. Once you've made that selection, it's time to give your new formula field a name. And here's a tip: make sure it's clear and descriptive. For instance, you might name it something like total cost or time variance. A well-named field can save everyone a lot of time later on, especially when it comes to reporting and using filters. When you're satisfied with the name, go ahead and click Create. You'll notice that your new formula column appears on the right side of your current view. Now it's time to make this column work for you. Click on the newly created column header and then select Edit Field. This action will take you to the formula editor, the place where all the magic happens. Inside the editor, you'll find that it supports a variety of math operators such as plus, minus, multiply, and divide. Additionally, it includes functions like if statements and various text operations. The key to building really helpful formulas is to reference the custom fields your team already uses. ClickUp makes this easier by providing a variables panel right inside the editor. This panel will list all the available fields from your tasks, including numbers, dates, roll-ups, and more. You can simply click on a variable to insert it, and voila! It appears in your formula with the correct syntax, so you won't have to guess. For example, you might have a scenario where you want to calculate projected costs. You could multiply an estimate field by a rate field. Or maybe you want to keep track of overdue tasks. Just use an if statement to compare the due date to today's date, and boom, you've got a flag for overdue tasks. As you're building your formula, don't forget to pay attention to the formatting options. If your result represents money, choose the currency format and set the decimal precision. If you're calculating time or percentages, select the corresponding format to keep your data consistent across reports and dashboards. One thing to remember is that formula fields are read-only. That means they update automatically whenever the reference fields change, ensuring your totals and flags are always current without needing any manual edits from you. Once your formula looks the way you want it, you should save it and return to your view. Now, you can easily drag the column to reposition it, apply filters to highlight only certain tasks based on your results, and sort in ascending or descending order to better surface your top priorities. And that's all there is to it. Your formula custom field is now live, accurate, and ready to help your team make informed decisions at a glance. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.